Hi, Year 6. This week we're going to be looking in maths at converting units. I did see in Purple Mash that some of you did struggle a bit on that, and I have to say that was a little bit difficult because it was talking about cubic centimetres, which we don't necessarily touch on that much in Year 6. So we'll start off with your WALT to understand metric measures. And your first SATS question, Stefan watch shows 5 minutes past 9. The watch is 12 minutes fast. What is the correct time? So let's have a look. So you pause it now and you think about that. Write your answer in your book. We'll quickly go through it. So thinking about our watch, there's the 12 o'clock. So that's generally what we always think about our point from. So 5 minutes past. So that is plus 5, yeah? So that's 5 past. The watch is 12 minutes fast. So between here and here is 5 minutes, yeah? 5 minutes. Now the difference between 12 and 5 is 7. So we need to go this way to make 12, don't we? So 7 and 5 make 12. So if we take 7 minutes away from the o'clock, we are left at 53 minutes. So if we count all the way around from here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, all the way around to 53. So our time would be 8:53. Doesn't tell us whether it's AM or PM, but that doesn't matter for now. Okay, so let me rub that all out and we'll go to the next screen. So on to today's lesson. There's some things that I would like you to write in your book, so you will need to stop and pause the video to do so. Just need to work out how to do this. I'm not good at this system yet. So our first word is capacity. These are words that you can refer back to throughout the week so you can remind yourself. I have to do it sometimes. They're difficult ones to get your head around sometimes. The amount an object can contain. So if you think about a jug of water, your jug of water is the actual jug itself, it's empty in the middle, isn't it? So how much can you fill that jug with water or flour or whatever it is that you're putting in your jug or your bowl? The capacity. Next word is volume, which is the amount actually in an object. So if you think about a brick is a solid thing. It's not just an outside thing like a jug or a bowl which is empty in the middle. It's got stuff in the middle. It's got more brick in the middle. So the volume is how much is actually of that product inside it that we can't see. So it's how much it is. So I'm sitting here looking at my sofa. My sofa is full of padding and feathers and springs and all sorts of things. It's the volume within it that is full of stuff. And the last one is mass, which is how much an object weighs. In other words, the weight of something. So this is a common misconception, really. Instead of saying, what is the mass of something, we say, how much does it weigh? But the correct term is, what is the mass? So instead of saying, how much do you weigh? We should really be saying, what is your mass? So put those things down in your book, ready for you to refer back to as we move on through the week's work. So an introduction. So we need to link these to the labels. Again, pause it. You can write these in your book. So kg, what does that link to? Kg, kilogram. km, kilometre. Sorry, that's a news report coming through. Centimetres and millilitres. I hope you got that one right. Let's move on. Oh, I need to clear that, don't I? Oh, it's gone anyway. Okay, so we need to find the odd one out. Which is the odd one out? We've got 5 kilometres. We've got 127 centimetres. We've got 2.5 kilograms, and we've got the length of a football pitch. Pause it, write your answer in the book, and explain to me why. Okay, I hope you've done that. And I wonder how many of you put this one, the length of a football pitch, because it is actually in words rather than in numbers. But if you think about what all these other things are worth, so I'm getting a bit confused by this now. It says that the recording is going to end in 21 seconds. So we are only allowed 5 minutes of recording. So I'm going to pause it here and I'll start another video. So there will be probably 2 or 3 videos for every lesson. Okay. So this is kilometres. It's just length. Centimetres is length. Kilograms is weight. And a football pitch, what's that word there? Length